Okay, here's one of the problems we have in IXLQ4. This is looking at our special right triangles. And on this one, we are given this leg of the right triangle is 21 meters. We see our 30 and 60, so 30, 60, 90 triangle. We need to make sure we're using our shortcuts there. And we're looking for side M, which is the hypotenuse. And then here's our 60. Opposite that is the 21. That's our long leg. And remember here we're told have your answer in simple radical form. So when we are doing this, remember this is the long leg, and here's our 30, that means this is the short leg, here's our hypotenuse. Remember, it's all about the short leg. All right, so if I don't have the short leg, that's what I need to find. If I'm given the long leg and I'm finding the short leg, I'm going to divide by square root of 3. Now remember that simple radical form, if I take 21 and divide by square root of 3, I can't have a radical on the bottom. So simple radical form means I'm going to multiply top and bottom by whatever radical I have, in this case square root of 3. I'm going to multiply top and bottom. So now on top we have 21 square root 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 is a square root of 9. That's equal to 3. Now we have a rational number on the bottom of our fraction. Last step there then is to divide. 21 divided by 3 means that our short leg in simple radical form is 7 square root 3. Now once I have the short leg, I can find the hypotenuse. Remember, to find hypotenuse given the short leg, I'm going to multiply by 2. So when I take my 7 square root 3 times 2, it's just the 7 and the 2 that we multiply. So M, the hypotenuse, is equal to 14 square root 3.